I've got you guys on a front-facing camera, of course, which means I look crazy. Do I have a double chin? I didn't film yesterday because I completely felt like shit. I still don't feel great. Not really sure. I'm wondering if I have COVID. Because, like, when I think about, oh God, when I think about the symptoms with the dry cough, and I'm going to say I was lethargic because I literally didn't eat until like 10, 11 o'clock. Let me get out the street. Get out the goddamn street. I've had the vid twice now, which is why I can't really tell. And then with there being so many strains, or it could just simply be I just had some kind of coughing episode. I don't know what it could be. I'm not coughing as bad today so far. I did get up today, well, last night before I went to sleep, because I wasn't able to get out to the store. Last night when I got up, not when I got up, before I went to bed, I went in the bathroom to see, did we have any kind of medicine for cough relief? And we had something that I think was I'm trying to not get my background in the, God damn it. I don't know what I was saying. I had to pick up stuff. Hey, come on. Because he would stop right in my neighbor's yard. Well, not my neighbor's yard, but anyway, I don't know what I was saying. Either way, oh, I know what I was saying. I found some, I guess it was a Sudafed PE knockoff, because I could feel that I had a post-nasal drip, and I felt like that might be causing the cough that I was having. Look at the sky, y'all. But I felt like that might be causing some of the cough, the nasal drip. So I took that to try and, stop the drip. And also to go to sleep because obviously the more I'm awake, the more I'm coughing. And I don't know, I don't know if it worked. I know I made myself go to sleep, but I kept waking up. Oh, goodness. I just feel like I'm blabbering right now. But that's because I don't feel good, so y'all gotta forgive me. I did manage to get some work done. Actually, I'm gonna tell y'all about that later. Let me finish doing this walk. Because I think while I'm up and about and feeling somewhat decent, I'm gonna attempt to go to the market and get something for this week's meal prep. I'll be back. I refuse to turn on a light, so hopefully you guys can see me. As you saw, went to the grocery store, got some food. I picked up this, y'all know the Yara. It's like everywhere. The Yara, that's probably too close. The Yara perfumes or whatever. I smelled them before from my coworker. She's a TikTok freaking nut. she orders so many perfumes. It's ridiculous, but I smelled it because she had it. But I just never I don't think I ever got it. No, I never got it. Ooh. It smells so good though. And then you started seeing it in the beauty supply stores. And if it's one thing about me, I don't know if y'all realize that a lot of the stuff sold in a beauty supply store are knockoffs. Like, it's not the real product a lot of times. So that's why I'm very careful with like certain things that I buy from the beauty supply store. Like, you guys know, what's the product? Not Got to Be Ghost Bond. If I remember, I'll put it up here. But like, they knock her stuff off all the time, like to the point where she literally, that's why you can call their number and speak to somebody when you've purchased the product, and they can verify whether or not it's actually their product. And 9 times out of 10, it probably is not. So when it came to like getting the Yara from the beauty supply store, I'm like, that's probably not the real shit. But at the same time, I don't even know where it comes from to say whether or not it is the real stuff. But I had to go get some nail files, and I didn't want to just put $2 on my card, so I ended up buying the roll-on. Like I said, don't know if it's actually the real one or not. Oh, maybe I should have turned the light on because this flash is killing my eyes. I just took my cough medicine and ate, because she said take the cough medicine after you eat. So I just ate, took my cough medicine, and then I have a video that's uploading. The video that's supposed to go out yesterday is uploading to Studio, so I could have it go live. And honestly, I'm about to just lay back and watch The Last Airbender, because Babe is already on season 2. He wants to watch it. I haven't watched season 1, so I'm like, let me just go ahead and start watching it, so this way we can get caught up and start watching season 2. But I wanted to tell y'all about, like, hold on, I gotta turn the light on. I cannot see. I don't know why I thought it was a great idea to not turn the light on. But I didn't work anymore on my agents like I said I was going to, because I had run out of credits, and I thought it was supposed to reset the next day, but I realized it resets at the time you start using it. Or the time you stop using it, or something like that. So basically, even though it was the next day, it was still within my 24-hour window. So I couldn't, and then yesterday I just didn't have the energy to do much of anything. But I did brainstorm a product that I want to bring to this brand, the Soft Life Mogul. So I'm working on that. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet. But if you're a content creator and you have really hard time trying to figure out what to post, what your lane is, things like that, this is going to be a product that's for you. Okay, that's all I'm going to say for right now. When I get it to a place where I'm ready for people to start testing it, then I'll come back and tell you guys about it. I'll open up like a little wait list, and then I'm going to let some people in so they can test it, so we can work out all the kinks. I can get some feedback on like what it is that you guys think you need more of or less of, something like that. But I wasn't sure if I okay, if I didn't cut that out, I'm sorry, but I'm coughing too much to keep trying to chop it out of videos. But I was looking for my cough drops. There you go. I was contemplating on if I wanted to bring it out yet, because I don't want to be working on 2 different businesses at once. But it's not really a business, it's a product. And I don't think it's going to take away from what I'm doing with my coaching business. And in some sense, it might even be able to work with my coaching business somehow. Not entirely sure. I haven't worked all that out yet, or if I need to keep them completely separate. But either way, once I am ready to like start bringing people in, once I'm ready to start bringing people in to test it, then I'm going to let you guys know about it. So right now, as far as the agents go, we still have only 3 agents set up. And we have like 4 more agents to do, I think. I'm not going to do anything today. My head is hurting, actually. I wonder if this is why. I'm not going to do much today right now. I just want to focus on getting better. And honestly, I wasn't going to make this video, but I wanted to push through and get a video done regardless, because, you know, the whole thing is filming daily on top of posting daily, and we're failing in the posting daily category. And like I said, I think yesterday was the first day that I just didn't film at all. Was yesterday the first day I didn't film, or did we go on a day 2? No, I think yesterday was the first day that I didn't film at all. So I didn't want to have that happen again. Like, I'm sorry, I'm having... So they say don't record when you're not feeling good. Like, only record when you're feeling your best. But because we're doing this 30-day right now, posting daily, recording daily, or whatever, even though I don't feel good, I still want to post, because that's the whole point of this. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but even though I don't feel good, even though this video is probably not going to be the best out of the whole series, I still want to develop that habit in myself to do it anyway. So yeah, with that being said, like I said, my head is hurting. I'm kind of woozy. I don't know if this is what I took. And I don't know if this makes you drowsy or not. I don't know. I'm going to have to look it up and see if this makes you drowsy. And because I don't know if it makes you drowsy, I want to go ahead and cook. So this way, if it does make me drowsy, I can just go to sleep and I don't have to worry about food not being ready or anything like that. But yeah, if I keep talking right now, I'm going to be blabbing. I have a lineup of videos that I want to do for the rest of this series and going forward so that I can try and eliminate the blabbing aspect of this video. Of this series, and we can actually have curated topics. The only problem is I'm sick. So it's like we're going to get a lot more of me sitting and talking to the camera like this versus like me doing day in the life stuff that I would prefer to be doing. Next thing is tomorrow is my call with unemployment. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they reinstate my unemployment benefits and I can get that lump sum of money and I can take care of the things that I need to take care of and we can be over that part of life and like have some sense of normalcy when it comes to my finances. Y'all sit a prayer. By the time you guys see this, that situation would have already have happened. So I can't even say pray for me because y'all not going to see this on time. If I was recording and posting on time, y'all would. But either way, see, okay, it's still there, but it's so faint. I don't know that this is like, I would have to put a whole lot of this on. Because I'm one of those people, I like you to smell me before I come in the room, baby. I like to spray it on, rub it on, roll it on, whatever. I want it everywhere. I'm one of them types. But let me go ahead and stop wasting y'all time right now. Because I need to get that other video up, finished, and all that stuff. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. I can't even tell you what we're going to be doing tomorrow. But that's when I'm going to see you. I feel like I'm delirious right now. So I'll catch y'all later.